Preventative vehicle maintenance is about keeping your car out of the shop, where expensive repairs add up quickly. The expense required to perform routine maintenance will pay for itself many times over compared to fixing a broken-down car. Preventative vehicle maintenance means regular oil changes, checking all cars' fluid levels regularly, and performing the manufacturer's annual maintenance schedule. Automotive maintenance starts with reading the owner's manual. If your car purchase does not come with a manual, you can download it online. Search your car's year, make, and model, also which motor version you have. Inside the owner's manual, you will find initial vehicle setup, custom settings available for vehicle functions. All controls, what does this thing do? Airbags, location and functionality. Maintenance schedules, details on when your car should be serviced. Removing the spare tire, operating the jack and changing the tire safely. Learn what the instrument panel indicators mean. Whether new or used, your first car is a significant investment. Over time, all vehicles we drive lose their value. New vehicles from a dealership come with a warranty. The warranty may cover substantial repairs. Auto mechanics can be as bad as a used car salesperson. They can overcharge you and add repairs you don't need. Read reviews before visiting an auto repair shop. Things every car owner must know. Understand the warning lights. Know how to check and change fluids. Know how to jump-start a low battery. Know how to check tire inflation and add air. Know how to call a tow truck. Find reliable mechanics. Preventative auto maintenance is crucial for safety, reliability, longevity, and maintaining the value of your vehicle. It allows you to address issues proactively, minimize unexpected breakdowns, and enjoy a secure and confident driving experience.